Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic how do you use charcoal to kill ants. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. You can use charcoal to kill ants because it absorbs odor and moisture from their bodies and causes dryness, ultimately leading to their death. You can crush its pieces into powder to spread them on the infested areas or prepare a spraying solution to kill insects. You can create a boundary of charcoal to restrict undesired entries of ants. Moreover, it is better to know the mode of action of charcoal to use it properly, take appropriate actions against the insects, and ultimately reap the benefits. Charcoal or carbon residue is suitable for different purposes due to excellent properties, as this porous soil has low mechanical strength and offers many benefits. It can also serve as insecticidal substance and helps get rid of the nuisance insects. Moreover, powdered charcoal is effective against ants as it can cause damage to their exoskeleton, leading to their death. The powder is completely odorless, but its porosity allows better absorption of scents from the surrounding areas, so it can help repel insects due to the large surface area for absorption. However, it has no typical taste that seems undesirable to these insects, which means it repels them due to its absorption abilities. It can absorb the odor of pheromone trails left by ants on the ground. It can be a safe and inexpensive alternative to insecticidal powders and sprays to deal with the population of insects invading the house. In addition, this hygroscopic material can suck moisture from the bodies of tiny insects when it comes in direct contact with them. The dry powder can attach to their bodies and make them devoid of moisture because it can efficiently suck water content from their outer shell. In the same way, it can absorb odor from the insect's body and affect their communication. These insects rely on their scents to differentiate their fellows and foes. Their ability to detect smell helps them locate food, but this powder affects their sensing abilities by absorbing odors in the environment. Accordingly, it can help kill insects due to its excellent absorption properties and becomes an on-ground deterrent for these nuisance pests. You can use charcoal to get rid of ants only if you use it accurately, otherwise you cannot reap the benefits from its repelling and killing properties. It is better to crush the solid pieces before use and sprinkle the powdered material on the infested surfaces. It can help prevent ants from causing damage to plants and food. A boundary of this repelling substance around plant pots can help prevent them from entering the pots to obtain nectar from the flowers and chew the leaves. Moreover, the thickness of the boundary line should be around 4 to 6 inches at least, because a thin line cannot maintain its thickness due to heavy foot traffic and airflow. You can also use this powder to protect pet food outdoors because they can get inside the food bowl filled with protein-rich feed. It is quite effective to stop ants from contaminating the food of chickens, cats, and dogs. Some insects can reach the bird cage for broken eggs, warmth, and moisture. Accordingly, you can use this to keep ants away from the bird cages, as they can be responsible for killing the birds and their babies. In addition, prepare a spraying solution by mixing the charcoal in water after crushing, but it is better to keep it in an accurate amount to get the benefits. After that, spray the solution directly on the trail of ants, moving towards the compost bin to attack the rotting food and worms multiplying in number inside the bin. This spraying method is considered suitable for better exposure to these insects because it reaches their bodies quickly and you do not have to wait for these insects to touch the powder. Spray the solution on the mounds only if the colony is small because it cannot give you better result in removing a large colony containing thousands of members. Furthermore, scatter the powder around the mounds to keep them inside the nest and avoid indoor entries because they can contaminate food in the kitchen or transfer diseases. Thanks for watching the video.